Let's explore the TMUX command, a powerful tool for advanced terminal session management. TMUX allows you to run multiple terminal sessions within a single window, providing powerful split-screen capabilities. It also allows you to keep your sessions running even after disconnecting from SSH or closing your terminal. This feature is called session persistence. To start using TMUX, you will first need to install it on your system. Here are the commands for different operating systems. For Debian or Ubuntu, use the command sudo apt install tmux. For Red Hat, CentOS or Fedora, use the command sudo dnf install tmux. For macOS using Homebrew, use the command brew install tmux. After installation, you can verify that tmux is installed correctly by running the command tmuxv, that is, tmux --V. Let's look at some basic tmux commands to get you started. To start a new tmux session, simply type tmux in your terminal. To start a new named session, use the command tmux new sname, replacing name with your desired session name. To exit the current pane, type exit. To detach from a session, press Ctrl+B followed by D. To list all sessions, use the command tmux ls, that is tmux --ls. For session management, attach to the last session by typing tmux attach. To attach to a named session, type tmux attach tname, replacing name with the session name. To kill the current session, use the command tmux kill session. To kill a named session, type tmux kill session tname, again replacing name with the session's name. To rename the current session, press Ctrl+B, followed by the $sign. Note that Ctrl+B is the default prefix key combination in tmux. Now let's explore window management in tmux. To create a new window, press Ctrl+B, followed by the letter C. To move to the next window, press Ctrl+B, followed by the letter N. To move to the previous window, press Ctrl+B, followed by the letter P. To switch to a specific window number, press Ctrl+B, followed by the number 0 through 9. For window operations, to rename the current window, press Ctrl+B, followed by the comma. To list all windows, press Ctrl+B, followed by the letter W. To find a window by name, press Ctrl+B, followed by the letter F. To kill the current window, press Ctrl+B, followed by the ampersand symbol. The window diagram illustrates how you can have multiple windows within a single tmux session, each for a different task. Let's take a look at pane management in tmux. To split a pane vertically, press Ctrl+B, followed by the %sign. To split a pane horizontally, press Ctrl+B, followed by the double quote. To switch to the next pane, press Ctrl+B, followed by the letter O. To show pane numbers, press Ctrl+B, followed by the letter Q. For pane operations, to toggle pane zoom, press Ctrl+B, followed by the letter Z. To switch to a pane in a specific direction, press Ctrl+B, followed by the arrow keys. To move a pane to the left, press Ctrl+B, followed by the left curly brace. To move a pane to the right, press Ctrl+B, followed by the right curly brace. The pane layouts display how you can arrange panes in different configurations, such as vertical split, horizontal split, main vertical layout, and grid layout. Now let's see how to use copy mode in tmux. To enter copy mode, press Ctrl+B, followed by the left square bracket. To exit copy mode, press the letter Q. To start a selection, press the space bar. To copy a selection, press the Enter key. For navigation in copy mode, use the letters H, J, K, and L to move the cursor in a Vim style. Use the letters W and B to move word by word. Use the letters G and capital G to go to the top or bottom of the buffer. To paste copied text, press Ctrl+B, followed by the right square bracket. The example here displays how to highlight text, navigate, and copy using copy mode commands. Now let's explore tmux configuration. The tmux configuration file allows you to customize key bindings, appearance, and behavior. The configuration file is located at ~. tmux.onf, which is /tmux.onf. Changes take effect after reloading the configuration. To reload the configuration, type tmux source file /tmux.onf. Here is an example configuration. To change the prefix key to Ctrl-A, unbind Ctrl-B, set Option -G prefix C-A, and bind key C-A send -prefix. To enable mouse mode, set -G mouse on. To set easier window split keys, bind key V split -window -H and bind key H split window -V. Save this to /tmux.onf and reload with tmux source file /tmux.onf. Let's learn how to customize the status bar in Tmux. You can customize the colors and information displayed in the status bar by modifying the configuration file. Here are some example settings. To set status bar colors, use the command set Option -G status -style BG equals black, FG equals white. To customize the left side of the status bar, use the command set Option -G status -left, and then within quotations the desired output, such as square bracket $ FG equals green square bracket $ capital S square bracket space. Set Option -G status -left -length 20. To customize the right side of the status bar, use the command set Option -G status -right, and then within quotations the desired output, such as $ FG equals cyan % capital H capital M space $ FG equals yellow %D capital B %Y. Now let's see a session management workflow example. In step 1, create a session by starting a new named session using the command tmux new sdev. In step 2, set up windows by creating windows for different tasks. In step 3, switch between windows as needed. In step 4, detach and resume later using the command tmux detach, and later, tmux attach dev. For example, type tmux new sdev, then tmux new window in editor, then tmux new window in server, and finally tmux detach, which can be later resumed using tmux attach dev. Let's explore some advanced tips and resources for Tmux. Use the tmux-resurrect plugin to save and restore sessions across system restarts. Create session templates with Tmuxinator for project-specific layouts. Use Ctrl-B followed by Z to temporarily zoom a pane to full window. If colors look wrong, add set -G default -terminal screen -256 color to the configuration. Fix copy-paste with set -G mouse on in your configuration file. Reset the Tmux server with tmux kill-server if it becomes unresponsive. You can find further resources in the official documentation by typing man-tmux in your terminal, browsing the project's GitHub page at github.com/tmux/tmux, or consulting a cheat sheet such as tmuxcheatsheet.com. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.